Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Peter the Rock. Basically there are 6 blood tests that should be conducted every 6 months. The first one is a lipid profile test or cholesterol test. It measures the amount of lipids in your blood to help determine your risk of heart disease and stroke. The second is HbA1c test. Hb stands for hemoglobin in HbA1c test, and it is a blood test that measures the amount of glucose or blood sugar attached to hemoglobin in your red blood cells. It is a useful tool for diagnosing and monitoring diabetes. The third test is a liver function test, that is LFT. It is a blood test that measures the levels of substances produced by the liver to assess its health and function. The fourth test is a kidney function test, that is KFT. It is also called a renal function test, that is RFT. It measures how well your kidneys are working. The fifth test is a T3, T4 and TSH test. It is a thyroid function test, that is TFT, that measures the levels of hormones in your blood to help diagnose and monitor thyroid conditions. The last and the sixth blood test is vitamin D3 and B12 test. A vitamin D3 test, also known as a cholecalciferol test, measures the level of vitamin D3 in your blood. This test is recommended for abnormal levels of calcium, phosphate or magnesium in your blood, for osteoporosis, for cystic fibrosis or kidney disease. A vitamin B12 test measures the amount of vitamin B12 in your blood. It is recommended if you show symptoms such as weakness, loss of balance, numbness or tingling in the arms and legs, mental changes and pain. I hope today's video was useful. Do subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching this video.